I thought maybe we should talk about types when it comes to dating, umjolo. I don't know if I have a thing for tall, dark, ugly, no fat, because I'm working hard, like true. You cannot come with like round stomach and like you can't. Like I'm working so hard to get to this shape, now I should gain a lot of weight, so I need to lose a lot of weight. But I don't think it's fair that I'm working so hard, waking up at 5:30 in the morning to go jog or run and then come back and do workouts, whether it's lunges, stomach, sit-ups, push-ups, all those things, butt bridges, all those exercises, because you can never lose weight just by running.
Sina, I feel like farting. I feel like farting right now. Shit.
Let's go, G. Almost there.
5 meters.
5 meters.
Because when you're running, you're doing what we call anaerobics, which is like you're exercising the inside of your body. Having that problem, very heart diseases, exercise like kujima, like kututuma, so exercise mere willingly, mara to do workouts like lifting, all those things, you're exercising your outer body. So jogging is good for your internal, being. It's good, even as a way of what do you call it, praying or religious practice. Yoga, it's an exercise, but it's actually a way you connect with the universe. So it's good to exercise, So you cannot come with mkaba, guys. So most of the time I'm like, Abba no mkaba, nigga sloopy. So please, guys. So I'm not sure. I have a thing for tall, dark, and ugly. I'm not sure about you. Let me tell you a story, guys. When I came to Johannesburg from Grahamstown, right? So I was staying with my friend. It was him and our other friend, and then they were staying with other 2 guys. And the other guy was a very religious guy. I still remember him. But this guy, this one. Let me say this one. This guy will bring women every day. And these were 2 like different kind of women every day. He was bringing women every day. And the funny thing about him is the fact that it was not just women, Jay, This guy had a type, This guy had the type, and that's when I realized that everybody has a type. You cannot say you're only looking for the inside, personality. No. There you're lying. Everybody has a type. I had a type. I have a type. Maybe I don't know, but I think I do have a type, honestly speaking. And most of my type, But I think we can't eat. But I think come John. Guys, I have a type. But this guy had a type, a particular kind of a type. And he would always bring women. But these were not just women. They were a particular kind of women. And we were all wondering, what's happening with this guy? Yeah, what's happening with this guy? This guy will bring same kind of women. These women were all big, rounded, African kind of women.
High waist legging. Like I wanna go high.
So these women were all, they looked the same. But then if you didn't notice, you would think it's one person. But this guy had a type. And I was like, oh my gosh, this guy, he brought the same type. Yeah, we come a long way. So I also have a particular type, kind of a type. And it's quite sad, eh? Like that kind of a type, it's a rare breed. Tall, dark, ugly. No handsome boys. No handsome boys. Tall, dark, and ugly. With a bit of money, you know. Maybe money is not there. It's not all there is, but you know, it will be good. Imana ngayilava kumali, hinkwenu hilava mali. Vavurini says koni chauke bako hinkwenu hilava mali, you know. So hinkwenu hilava mali. We all want money, so you know, but it's not about money. Honestly speaking, dating is not about money. But I have that kind of a type. What is your type, you know? Have you finally discovered that you mostly, let's say you have exes, right? Do you now realize, if you look back, that you always been dating same kind of people in terms of body shape? It's either these are light people, or these are short people, or these are chubby people, or skinny people, or very fat, big, you know, people. I don't want to say women or guys, because it will be only sexualizing women. But have you noticed that you also have a type? Why is it like that though? You know, do you choose to have this kind of a woman or a man to date, that whenever you date a man, you're looking for someone with kabanyana, or you're also looking for someone with a six-pack? What causes that? This is psychology, guys. This is more of a psychology. It's interesting that men or women, all of human species, get attracted to similar kind of people. I mean, you guys can share with me down below what kind of people you date, or you've been dating, or you noticed, you just realize that actually I also have a type. I didn't realize that I actually like short guys, or you don't like short guys at all, or you are into, you know, men with a bit of six-pack, just to, you know, some speed humps. Yeah, speed humps are good, you know, very appealing sexually, you know. It's sex appealing, that thing. But then with a V shape, you know, with a V shape. Yeah, so what kind of guys do you like? What kind of men, what kind of women are you into, you know? This kind of things, you know, makes us think. I'm here to just make everybody think, you know. Maybe these topics can be expanded in the big platforms for those who have a opportunity to work in the media and producers or their presenters, you know. These topics are very nice to discuss, you know. What kind of guys, what kind of men are you looking for? Guess what? Ooh, I can't. Guys, please share your comment down below. Give us your experience. What has happened to you? Have I made you realize that you also have a type? You know, it happens that you have a type, and then maybe you didn't know, because there's no way you don't have a type. So please comment down below. Tell us what you think about it, about this topic. You know, is it interesting? This kind of topics. Should we bring more of this? Because these topics, honestly speaking, I'm no expert. I just thought about them right now, and then felt like I needed to deliver them right now, you know. So yeah, let's see each other in the next upload, because the video is coming up next without wasting any time. So don't go away. Legere mina ekestos sirklinyora. I'm testing totora. Salut. Minga titimel.